A box contains $56 in the form of coins of $1, half dollar, and quarter. The number of half dollar coins is double the number of quarters and 4 times the number of $1 coins. The number of half dollar coins in the box is. Okay, using the given information, we have to find the number of half dollar coins in the box. Okay, first let me take X as a number of $1 coins. Let me write the stuff over here. Number of $1 coins. Now, using this information, we'll be able to find the number of half dollar coins in terms of X, because the information says that the number of half dollar coins is 4 times the number of $1 coins. Then number of half dollar coins. Let me write the stuff over here. Half dollar coins. Now, to get the number of half dollar coins, we have to take 4 times the number of $1 coins. That is 4 times X. And now let's consider the other information over here. That is the number of half dollar coins is double the number of quarters. Let me write this stuff exactly. That is a number of half dollar coins is equal to double the number of quarters. Double means 2 times the number of quarters. Let me write it. Already we got the number of half dollar coins in terms of X, that is 4X. We can plug in this 4X for this stuff. Then we have 4X equals to 2 times number of quarters. Let me write it. Now, to get the number of quarters, we have to divide both sides of the equation by 2. This 2 will cancel out. 2 goes into 2 one times, 2 goes into 4 2 times. On the left side, we have 2X. On the right side, we have number of quarters. Let me write it. Okay, here I got, I've assumed X as number of $1 coins. Then I get a number of half dollar coins as 4X, number of quarters as 2X. Okay, now let's consider this information. That is, a box contains $56. That is, the total value of all the coins is $56. And we know that the value of each $1 coin is just 1. Now, to get the value of X number of $1 coins, we have to multiply the number of coins X and the value of each coin, that is $1. Then we have X times 1, positive. And we know that the value of each half dollar coin is $0.5. To get the total value of 4X number of half dollar coins, we have to multiply the number of coins 4X and the value of each half dollar coin, that is $0.5. Then we have 4X times 0.5, and we know that the value of each quarter is $0.25. To get the value of 2X number of quarters, we have to multiply the number of quarters 2X and the value of each quarter, that is $0.25. Then we have 2X times 0.25. Okay, this expression gives a total value of all the coins. According to the information, this expression, that is a total value of all the coins, is equal to $56. Now we have to solve for X in this equation. Once I get the value of X, I can plug in over here to get a number of half dollar coins, because my aim is to get the number of half dollar coins in the box. Okay, let's solve for X in this equation. X times 1 is X. 4 times 0.5 is 2. Then we get 2X. And here 2 times 0.25 is 0.5. And then we have 0.5X equals to 56. Okay, when I combine X, 2X and 0.5X, I am getting 3.5X. On the right side, we have 56. To solve for X, let's divide both sides of the equation by 3.5. Here, this 3.5 will cancel out. I'm getting X on the left side. When I divide this 56 by 3.5, I'm getting 16. Here I got the value of X. The value of X is 16. Let me plug in X equals to 16 over here. Then we have 4 times 16, which is equal to 64. So there are 64 half dollar coins in the box. We find 64 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.